Baseboards may seem like a minor part of a room, but when done right, especially with complex shapes, they make a huge difference. These videos take us into the process of installing stepped baseboards, a style that requires precise layering and clean alignment. Unlike standard straight runs, stepped baseboards must follow height changes along walls or staircases, which means every cut, joint, and measurement needs to be perfect. First, the craftsman carefully measures each level, marking where each baseboard should sit. Then, he pre-cuts sections to create that sharp step effect, ensuring smooth transitions at every junction. Glue and fasteners are applied with care, keeping each segment flush and secure. Finishing touches like sanding and sealing make the transition lines nearly invisible. What makes this process so impressive isn't just the result, it's the methodical, patient approach that brings geometry and design together. Every line has purpose. Every step shows respect for detail. This is more than construction, it's functional craftsmanship that quietly elevates a space. It's this kind of work, slow, careful, and deeply intentional, that separates rushed renovations from truly refined spaces. The baseboard may be low on the wall, but here, it's finished with the highest level of skill.